Here is the script. Hey there, tech fans. Welcome back to my channel, where we dive into the latest and greatest in gaming gear. Today, I'm super excited to share with you my hands-on review of the ASUS ROG Strix G16, a laptop that's guaranteed to fuel your most epic gaming sessions. This beast of a machine is packed with serious power, thanks to its Intel Core i7 processor 14650HX and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060 laptop GPU. But what does that mean for you? In simple terms, it means this laptop can handle even the most demanding games at silky smooth frame rates. We're talking 165Hz refresh rate, folks. That's lightning fast motion for a more immersive gaming experience. But power isn't everything, speed matters too. That's where the 16GB of DDR5-5600MHz memory and 1TB PCIe Gen 4 SSD come in. With this fast storage and plenty of RAM, you can multitask like a pro while still having enough resources for your games to run smoothly. Imagine being able to have multiple tabs open at once, chatting with friends, or even working on a project alongside your gaming sessions. The ROG Strix G16 makes it all possible. Now, let's talk about display quality. The 165Hz FHD Plus screen is simply stunning, with its new ACR film that enhances contrast and reduces glare. You'll feel like you're right in the game, thanks to the crisp visuals and smooth motion. It's a perfect blend of gaming performance and cinematic experience. But what about heat management? That's where the ROG Intelligent Cooling System comes into play. This advanced cooling solution features an end-to-end vapor chamber, tri-fan technology, and even Conductonaut extreme liquid metal applied to the chipset. Trust me, you won't feel a thing, even during long gaming sessions or intense resource-intensive tasks. Now, I know what you're thinking, what about customization? That's where the 360 degrees RGB light bar shines. This feature allows you to personalize your laptop's look with full surround lighting effects. Want to match your keyboard and peripherals? No problem. The stealth mode setting lets you turn off all lighting for a sleek, professional look in no time. So, what's it like using this machine? Honestly, the experience is seamless. From booting up to launching games, everything feels smooth and responsive. And with tool-free access to RAM and SSD, upgrading or swapping components becomes a breeze. Lastly, let's talk about audio and peripherals. The Dolby Atmos audio and customizable RGB Aura light bar elevate your gaming sessions to new heights. It's like having an entire entertainment system right on your desk. In conclusion, the ASUS ROG Strix G16 is an absolute powerhouse of a laptop that's designed specifically for serious gamers. With its incredible performance, stunning display, advanced cooling system, and customization options galore, this machine checks every box on the gaming enthusiast's wish list. So, what are you waiting for? Head to the link in the description below to snag this beast for yourself.